Welcome back to the channel. Today I am making a strawberry cream cheese pound cake. I am going to be starting with 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1.5 cup of butter, unsalted, gonna cream these together for about 3 minutes before adding our sugar. Let's add our sugar. This is gonna be 2 cups. All right, we are gonna set this to cream for 5 minutes. Okay, let's scrape down the side of the bowl. Make sure there's no sugar sitting at the bottom. This is very light and fluffy. I'm gonna run this for another half a minute or so, and then we start adding our other ingredients like our eggs. In the meantime, I'm going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. We're going to start with the eggs, one at a time. Actually, I need to add my extracts. I have a tablespoon of vanilla, and I'm gonna put a half a tablespoon of banana. Now I can get back to adding the egg. Okay, let's scrape this down, make sure there's nothing sitting at the bottom. No eggs, no sugar. Everything has been incorporated. I'm mixing in half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of baking soda into my flour, and I'll add that. Make sure that these are evenly distributed among the flour so we don't have areas that are saltier than others. Now let's start with adding our flour. I also have 1/3 cup of milk, which I'm gonna pour half in here. We're gonna start with the dry and end with the dry. Okay. Add some more. Gonna add the rest of my milk, which is room temperature. Milk, butter, and eggs should always be room temperature. Now let's put the remainder of the flour in there. Okay, I am gonna stop the mixer because I don't want to mix it too much to get for it to start developing any gluten. So I'm gonna finish this part by hand. Over gently. Get under here and make sure we don't have any flour streaks. I have one more ingredient left. And that's my strawberries, or strawberry puree. I'm gonna try to be a little bit fancy with this. So I am going to mix these together, then add it to the rest of the mixture. Also, I'm gonna add some red velvet elixir so that the color can pop. Because if I don't, it's gonna be a color that I'm not gonna like. I'm gonna put some in here also. Let's put this back in here, and then we are ready to pour this in our pan. So here I have my prepared pan. It was sitting in the refrigerator. We are gonna pour our cake in. So I am going to do my dabs of strawberry. And I am going to swirl it in. Let's knock the bubbles out. oven is preheated to 350. We're gonna put this in there for, I'm gonna start with maybe 40 minutes. I would probably check before the 40 minutes is up. Okay, let's turn our cake out. This thing is still warm. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, gorgeous. So here is our cake. It's not quite cool yet, but I got to get it out of the pan, and then I'm going to garnish it. Let's make our glaze for cake. I have here 1.5 cups of sift powdered sugar. I have 2 tablespoons of milk. I may need more or I may not need more. So I'm gonna put at least 1 tablespoon first. I'm going to be doing this by hand. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a little bit more. Okay, I'm adding another tablespoon. I'm gonna add the remainder. I left some of my strawberries back so I could use it to add to the glaze. Let's pour our glaze on.